Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. What's in your cup, you guys? Look at this baby today, you all. Look at this beauty. This baby took me maybe 2 minutes to make. Well, probably 5 minutes, but if you want to know what's in this cup, I will show you what's in this smoothie today, you guys. Packed with vitamin C, packed with vitamin E, phytochemicals, looking to boost your immune system, looking to lose weight, you guys, looking to lower your blood sugar, looking to lower your blood pressure, looking to get that boost of energy in the mornings or in the afternoon. I will show you how to make this smoothie today. And if this is your first time checking out my channel, hit that subscribe button, you guys. Also, I have created a playlist of all my smoothies, so you guys can go ahead and hit that playlist and you can watch how to make most of my smoothies. So here goes, you guys. Again, what's in your cup? Hit that subscribe button, you all. It's a good one, y'all. Here's how to make it. Good morning, you guys. So I have everything all ready to go in my smoothie, you all. Of course, it's flaxseed and chia seeds. Additionally, already in my cup, you all, I have raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. That's apple you see right there. Look at this baby. Look at this beauty. Just zap, zap, and I'll be ready to go, y'all. Of course, in my Nutribullet. As always, what's in your cup? Look at this beauty. Again, it's raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, apples, flaxseed, and chia seed, made in my Nutribullet. I have my cup of ice that's ready to go. What is in your cup? Alrighty, so I don't blend mine up with the ice. Sometimes I do, most times I do not, but I have a cup of ice that's already ready to go. But look at that baby, you guys. Check out this beauty. So I'm gonna pour it over my ice. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. Follow me on Instagram at Barrett Nutrition. What's in your cup?